The key number is the 1. If you're following this technique state by state, this is working, this strategy. This is for entertainment purposes only. This is coming out of Florida. We're doing day with day, guys. The last day number that came out 2 days ago, they gave us in the daytime in Florida, the 175. So what are we going to do with that 175? We're going to pair up that 175. We're going to go 1715. 1715. So we're going to look for a number that adds up to 17 or 15. In the daytime, the next day, they gave us the 852. What does that number add up to? In Florida. So it's that simple. If you're following these key numbers, you would have had it. That's how simple it is. So you got to look and see if it's working in your state by looking at these numbers. So again, they gave us in the daytime the 175. So you're looking for that 1, guys. So sure enough, what did they give us? Very simple. They gave us 1715, the 17 and the 15. What number came out the next day? Whoever wants to go look at it, go to Google and look at the results so you can see it for yourself. So they gave us the 852. The 852 adds up to 15. So that's one of the numbers that we were looking for. So look at it. 852, right off the day number. The day number in the daytime, the day before, was 175. So they gave us what? The 852. Look how simple that was. Just by following the results, guys. Look how simple that was. You only have to follow the results and you'll be on your way. So if you're following and you're tracking your state, you'll be on your way. Very simple. So you already know the key number is the 1. So if that number comes out in your state, you got to backtrack your state to see if it's working in your state. So this is what people tell me. Oh, I did with the 1, but it's not working in my state. You got to see if it's working in your state because the lottery changed the patterns every week. So it's working in Florida. You see that it works. I just showed you. Very simple. They gave us the 175. So how simple was that? Anyone could do this. Look, you're taking 175, you're going 1715. How simple is that? So you're pairing them up. So you're looking for a number that adds up to 17 or 15. So the number they gave us after, I think the hit sum was 78. The hit sum was 78. So you're going to tell me right now, in the middle, you're looking for the 78, and the corner pairs are up here. You told me the 78, you wouldn't have had the 852. The 852 is the 15. Look how simple is that? Simple. Yes, you would have played 287, that's the 17. You had to play the 852. 852 is the 15. 872 is the 17. You see how simple that was? Just by following the results. And this is another indication that this was the winning number. This was the area. Because the day number in the daytime was 175. Do you see it there? So they gave us 175. The next day, they gave us what? 582. So how we have the edge? Because we already knew the key number was the 1. So we were looking for 17 and 15. So right in this area here, that was the location where we're looking for a number that adds up to those numbers. And sure enough, there goes your winning number, 852. Look how simple was that? Just by following the results, guys. This is what I tell people. Let's do another state so you can see how this is working. So I'm going to make it very simple and easy. Try it in your state. Write down the results. This is what I tell people. Let's do one more state so you can see it clearly. Look, New Jersey. I'm going to do New Jersey, and I'm going to put it in a smaller grid so you can see it. Yes, the night number they gave us. So they're not doing day with day. In New Jersey, they're doing night with day. What did they give us? Very simple. They gave us the 701 yesterday at night in New Jersey. So whoever wants to go look at these results, go to Google and type in those states and look at the results. Just remember, if you practice, it becomes easier. It gets easier, guys. So these are your corner pairs here. So you already know. Yes, these are your corner pairs. The 701 was the last number that came out in the nighttime. So they're not doing day with day. They're doing day and night. So they gave us the 701. So what? What are we going to do with that 1? We're going to go 10 and 17. We're looking for a pair of 1017. What numbers are 10 and 17 here, right in that area? Because why? 107 adds up to the 8. So we're looking for 89, the hit sum. So look what we got. We actually have the hit sum, plus we have what? the key number. So we're looking for a number that has an 8 or 9 in it, and we're looking for a number that adds up to 10 and 17. You see that? So if you're not doing this, you're not going to have no type of edge when you're playing. So I'm explaining to you what you're looking for. So here, they're going night to day. So you're taking 701, you're adding that up. So that gave us a hit sum of 8, 9. Always in the middle, there goes your 8, 9 right there. So you already know the next winning number is going to be right in that area. So you're looking for a number that adds up to 10 or 17. 890, I would have played 890. 890 is the 17. 881 is the 17. 811 is the 10. 8, 9, and 10, that's the 10. 730 is the 10. So if you would have choose like 7 numbers here, you would have been in the winner's circle. What was the outcome? What was the winning number that came out today in New Jersey? Right in that area. So you told me if the hit sum was 8, 9, and you're looking for a number, so you already know you have to use the 8 and you have to use the 9. So you would have played 901, that's the 10. That's the 10. Remember, you're going 1017. You're looking for a number that adds up to 17 or 10. So you would have used 901 because why? The hit sum is 8, 9. So you would have used that number. You would have used the 370, that's the 10. Right in this area here, would you use the 287? Yes, that's also what? The 17. Yes. So you know what numbers to play. 580, that was a good number to play? No. Why? That's the 13. That was not a good number to play. You're looking for a number that adds up to these numbers here. So what other number? 881 adds up to what? 17. How about the 118? What does that number add up to? The 118. That's also the 10. And what came out in that state today? Let's do it. So whoever wants to go look at it, they gave us today the 181. Do you see it there? Is it touching the corner pairs? How simple was that? Yes. How we have the edge versus the person that's not doing this, how he would have gotten the number. He would have been guessing. We're not guessing because why? We knew the hit sum. We knew the last number that came out in the nighttime was right here, 701. Look at it. The 701 was the last number that came out in this grid here. And what else? What other edge we had? The hit sum, 8, 9. And also what? We're looking for a number that adds up to a 10 or a 17. You see the edge we had versus the person that doesn't know what he's doing? This is what I tell everybody. How I got good with this? You could get good with this is by practicing and looking at what they're doing in your state. It's that simple. So just for today, go into, in your state, practice and look at what they're doing in your state. Take the numbers, look at the results. It's free. Look at the results and it becomes easier, guys. Just write down the results and practice. I just showed you here. If you have to look at the video again, it's simple. Look at the video and it's very simple to do. You're only tracking the one. You're tracking the hit sum and you're tracking the results in your state. It's that simple. If this pick 3 strategy helped you, like, comment, share, and save this video. And also subscribe for new videos. This is the Lotto King, and I'm out.